Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show the demo on importing the data from SQL Server to Excel sheet. So normally there are many ways to import the data from SQL Server table to other sources. By using import and export wizard, you can select the flat file source as the destination or Excel source, and by using BCP Command Utility, here you need to provide the path of the destination file by using by writing the one command in command prompt, and you can uh, you can get the data from the SQL Server table. And by using SSIS, as you know, we have done many videos on how to take the data from SSIS by using SSIS from SQL Server table. And this is the by using Microsoft tool in SQL in Excel. So here I am showing the fourth method. The fourth method by using Microsoft query tool, and how to import the data from SQL Server table to Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet, and I am going to import the data, this person underscore tbl. The data contains 405 rows, and I want to import all this data into Excel sheet by using the fourth one, that is Microsoft query tool. So how to this demo? First you go to the data. In data, there is a tab called from other sources. You just click this from other sources. From SQL, from analysis services, there are different sources. Here you find last one from Microsoft query. You just click this query. Select this option, and it by default it will take the new data source. You click OK. It is asking what name do you want to give your data source. So I want to give my data source as person data, and it is asking second one. It is asking is select a driver or type of database you want to access. Here I want to take the SQL Server native client 11.0. Click connect to get, and select the use trusted connection, and type your server name here, and go to options here. All your tables, database tables are appear. The server admin, whatever the database are there, all will be displayed here. Now I am selecting sample database because my database is sample. In the sample database I have person underscore table. So that I am taking this sample database. Click OK. After that, it is asking to select the table. So here I am selecting my table person underscore tbl, person underscore tbl, and click OK. So person data is the name I have mentioned, and click OK again. So it is asking one query wizard will open to choose the names. So I want to select table columns. So uh, just click this button. Automatically all columns that are there in the person table were moved to this, and click next. And it is asking some only include these rows and some column filter. Whatever column filter you want, you go accordingly. Now I am clicking the next button. It is the sort option. So I am taking the ID as a sort of ascending, and the rest of the columns as ascending as well. And as per your requirement, it is not mandatory as per your requirement. So I just select the ID as descending and go to next. It is asking two changes: return data to Microsoft SQL, view data or edit query in Microsoft query. Now I am taking the data into Excel sheet. So I am taking finally By default it will, this radio button is selected, finish. So it is asking table, pivot chart, in which format you want to display the data. I want to display the data in table format, so I am selecting this one. So the entire 405 rows, see, entire 405 rows have been dumped into them. By this way you can get the data from the SQL table to a Excel sheet. Once again I am repeating. First is select that from, I am taking one more sheet. I am taking one more sheet. Data, and once selecting the column data, and I am selecting other sources. Microsoft query, the option I am selecting, and get. I mean this one already selected. I am taking, or else I will repeat once again. Click new data, OK, and give the source. Now I am giving some student table is there. I am selecting that one, student, and the connection I am taking here is SQL Server native client 11.4. So click connect. So click this checkbox and enter your server name and go to options here and select the table. I am selecting the sample table and click OK. Now it is connecting the database. Afterwards, this is optional field. You want to select a student table or not? This is student table is there. I am selecting the student table. You want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it, and click OK. Afterwards, one query wizard window will open. It is asking to select whichever columns you want. I want to select all columns. Selecting all columns here and go to next. So in here and next I am taking. So here I want to select ID as ascending, and the rest of the are same. I don't want to change other columns. Click OK. Return to data Microsoft Excel. I am okay with that radio option, button option, and I want to select in the table. If you want to select pivot chart, it will display accordingly. But I want to take this table and click OK. Then, so if you go and check your table, that is student underscore TBL. So there are 9 records, and same 9 records they appear here. See, I am selecting the ID as ascending order, and this ID is displayed like accordingly in ascending order. If you select ID as descending order, it will display 9, 8 like that. So as per your sort requirement. So this is how you need to download the data from the SQL Server to Excel sheet by using the Microsoft query tool. Very few, yeah, this is the very good option, very easy option to download the data. But many people are used to work on import and export and BCP and SSIS. But this is also one of the very easy and convenient to the new users also, how to download the data from the SQL table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.